Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start the weekly analysis for the next week. सबसे पहले इस वीडियो में we'll analyze the weekly chart. उसके बाद हम basically option chain पे जाके देखेंगे कौन से options we can try to sell. And just a disclaimer, this is basically what I'm thinking. I don't intend for anyone to copy what I'm doing. And as usual, okay, if you do benefit from our videos, we would really like it if you could like the video and also click on the subscribe button. We are inching very closer to 15,000 followers. So I hope we can get that very quickly. And if you want to help us, you can hit the like button. Okay. So let's get started with the weekly analysis. सबसे पहले इसमें like weekly chart को analyze करेंगे बैंक निफ्टी के निफ्टी के and we'll try to predict कि based on the weekly like candlestick what should happen in the next week. Okay. Or rather than what should, what's the probability of happening. After that what we are going to do, because see this weekly chart, the range is very big. ये जो range है like ये खुद 10% candle है, तो इसमें 10% नीचे में इफ यू वांट टू सेल पुट्स आल्सो हमको प्रीमियम्स नहीं मिलने वाले हैं, तो वी हैव टू गो ऑन लोअर टाइम फ्रेम्स, फाइंड स्विंग्स फ्रॉम देयर एंड देन ट्राई टू सेल दोस ऑप्शंस. ठीक है, सबसे पहले वी विल स्टार्ट विद द वीकली कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न. इसका वीकली कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ओके, आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली बुलिश. इसका विक टेल्स मी दैट इट्स वेरी बुलिश. अभी देखो इसका बॉडी है, इसका बॉडी 2% का है, लेकिन इसका जो विक है ये कैंडल का वो है 7% का. So almost the wick is 3 times से भी ज़्यादा of the body, which means massively bullish according to me. Okay, and I can always go wrong. So this I'm just sharing my analysis. So for what I see कि see highest weekly candle closing कहाँ पे हुई है मेरे लिए. This is the highest weekly candle closing level. Above this कोई there's no week which has closed higher than 48,983. But the current week's candle it's closed at 49,803, almost 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर. जहां पे रेगुलरली हम क्लोज किए हैं इसके पहले हाईएस्ट, उसके ऊपर क्लोज 1000 पॉइंट से किया है, विच मीन्स काफी ज्यादा बुलिश हो गया है बैंक निफ्टी वापस. अभी ये जो मूव नीचे का था मेरे लिए वो शेकआउट वाला मूव था, तो इट शुक आउट ऑल द पीपल हु आर अग्रेसिवली बुलिश एंड नाउ अगेन इट्स रीगेनिंग इट्स बुलिशनेस. मुझे ये कोई भी एंगल से मतलब थोड़ा सा भी बेरिश नहीं लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न इज परफेक्ट. ओके, the location where it's happening is all time high and the wick also is 3 times of the body. मतलब जो मुझे चाहिए मुझे सब मिल रहा है इसमें. ओके, ये कैंडलस्टिक में. So for me next week has to be a bullish week, or at least if not bullish, at least the next week should not go down drastically, because if it doesn't go down we'll make money by selling puts. इसका जो पैटर्न भी है, this pattern is of higher high higher low. Okay, this low it has not broken on a closing basis. So until we get a closing on the weekly time frame below 46,983 or simple 47,000 के नीचे जब तक closing नहीं आती है weekly time frame पे, can't be aggressively bullish bearish here. Okay, so that's the weekly chart. daily पे चलते हैं. तो daily पे मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? मुझे दिख रहा है daily पे first of all this candle is itself very small, तो मेरे लिए ज्यादा मायने रखती नहीं है ये candlestick. Okay, तो नहीं, the good thing is कि all time high के पास आया है ये. मेरे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है ये बड़ा कैंडल, दिस बिग कैंडल आई विल ऑब्जर्व. एंड मुझे यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? एक सीरीज ऑफ इनसाइड कैंडल्स दिख रहे हैं मुझे. ओके, तो आई हैड टोल्ड यू कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है मार्केट यहीं पर टाइम पास करे थोड़ा एंड देन इट गिव्स अ ब्रेकआउट. ओके, तो आई एम ईदर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस और आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग एन अप मूव. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग सीधा यहाँ से इट कम्स डाउन, ब्रेक्स दिस कैंडल एंड गोज डाउन. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट. So on the daily chart, okay, what we are going to do, we are going to wait for a closing in Bank Nifty above 50,667. Why do I think it's bullish? Okay, I'll tell you in the Nifty weekly analysis. Okay, after this I'm going to cover Nifty. So उसमें you will come to know that Nifty is trading above this red candle's high. See, Nifty में this candle I marked, it's closed above that. So for me, it's massively bullish in Nifty again, because anyone who tried to sell in this candle, market is trading above that. So those sellers are losing now. Okay, so my view in Bank Nifty is sideways to bullish. So either way, मेरे को मालूम है कि मेरा जो strategy है, either हो सकता है it's going to be future long, it's going to be put sell, it's not going to be put buying, it's not going to be future short, it's not going to be call sell. Call sell भी there is some chance, okay, it's going to work, because premiums ऊपर में 52,000 वगैरह के भी मतलब 40 रुपीज वगैरह के हैं. If you go come and check here, 52,000 का call option is also trading at 40 rupees. Let's say I don't want to sell this. Let's say I want to sell 52,300, 30 के around if I want to sell, to collect 0.5% from there. Still that is very far away. But I would still refrain from doing that, okay? Because that's the riskier part of the money, which I am not interested in. So 15-minute charts पे last time what we had discussed, we discussed this is the resistance and we discussed market did some buying from here, that's why this is the range. We said inside this range we are expecting short triangles to work perfectly and outside this range we are expecting a directional market. So in Bank Nifty हमको चाहिए 50,600 के ऊपर एक कैंडल चाहिए तो बुलिशनेस वापस करेंगे हम फिर बैंक निफ्टी. ओके सो लाइक इसमें विच ऑप्शंस कैन वी सेल सिंस वी हैव वांट टू गो विद पुट सेलिंग. व्हाट वी कैन डू, first thing is whenever this is crossed, okay, 50,500 is crossed, this was the last swing low 48,900. So 48,900 as of now it's going to be 157. तो जब तक वो टूटेगा वो तो यू नो बाय द टाइम दिस ये ऊपर जाके तोड़ देगा इसको और इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग देगा तो दिस स्विंग व्हाट यू आर सीइंग एट 150 रुपीज नाउ it must be trading around 40 50 60 rupees somewhere like that, okay, around that. So I would go and short this option, okay, if that happens. If that doesn't happen, what I'll do, because I think so जब तक इस रेंज में है तब तक डीके आना चाहिए in both calls and puts. So what I'm going to do, I'm thinking, okay, I don't intend for anyone to copy me. See what level is this, okay, this level I see is 47,836, okay. So any option below this if I sell, most likely there is a good chance I win then. So I am seeing 47,700 is trading at 40 rupees. So even if you sell this option, okay, you get 0.66% because you need only 60 points to make a percent, okay, in Bank Nifty. So 0.66% if you want mediocre type of risk, okay, what you want, okay. So these people can go and target this option. For the low risk ones, okay, who target very less, who want to lose less, or you know, who just want to make some money and not lose, what you can do, here another buying you saw, right, on the downside, okay, this level is 47,000. You can go and sell this 47,000 put option also for the very very low risk people who want to make some amount of money, or okay. And then what you can do, once this breakout you get, you can roll up your puts, so you will be in very low risk, and then if your analysis is correct then you will be rolling up. That's what I think if you want to take very low risk you should do then. And for the high risk traders, okay, the high risk traders, okay, they tend to have big drawdowns also. And what I think they should do is, you see this level 49,000, so it's been respected a lot of times and lately यहाँ पे support we've took. So 49,000 के नीचे के puts we'll try to short, and below that, okay, let's try to sell this 48,500 put option. It's trading at 95 rupees. I think this should win. And even in this, what you can do to lower your risks, okay, so you can only do this if this red candle high is taken out, if you're not sure about the trend, if you have like less confidence, this is what you should do. Then all time high ke upar again you should like roll up your option to something like that, okay. So it's clear put selling in Bank Nifty. Now let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty को देखते हैं वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे. ये तो मतलब टॉप नॉच बुलिश मतलब लग रहा है मुझे निफ्टी, क्योंकि इसका क्लोजिंग भी हाईएस्ट वीकली पॉइंट पे है. द कैंडल स्टिक का बुलिशनेस, लाइक आई डोंट इवन नीड टू टेल यू दैट विक टेल्स यू एवरीथिंग, ओके. सो देयर इज नथिंग बेयरिश इन निफ्टी, इट्स ट्रेडिंग एट इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई. कैंडल स्टिक परफेक्ट है जिससे चाहिए हमको. एंड डेली चार्ट पे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इट हैज ऑल्सो टेकन आउट दिस रेड कैंडल्स हाई. It's closed above that, which was a condition for us to go long in Nifty, okay. So Nifty में what you can do, most likely these put options should go to zero, 22,700 and below, 22,400 and below, all these puts, okay, we are going to target these last swings जो market ने बनाए थे. We cannot be using this swing because there is no premium here, okay. We are forced to come up because if we try to sell this option we won't get anything. So in Nifty what I can see 22,800 put premium is 60 rupees. Like if you're really a very aggressive guy, you should go and sell this. If you're on the lower risk side, what you should do, you should target this 25 rupee, 30 rupee puts. Okay, these have good probability, okay, of going to zero. And also, like, you know, always the analysis can go wrong. So whenever the analysis goes wrong, your job is to, you know, like lose less at least. So these OTMs are, I always prefer and I always encourage people to trade OTMs rather than ATMs or near OTMs, okay. In my experience, the traders, okay, who trade closest to the spot, okay, they are likely, there's a very high chance, okay, they are not as profitable as the OTM ones, because you know, like they get big like jhatkas also in these ATM options. They can't always go correct, okay. 100 out of 100 times they can't go correct. So if a person makes the same money, okay, or return selling OTMs versus the guy selling ATMs, okay, especially these 920 straddle folks and all, so I think the guy who sells OTMs is like smarter than the guy who's selling ATM options. I can give you a list of disadvantages की मतलब ATM क्यों नहीं trade करना चाहिए, but that's another topic because everyone wants to take high risk. Okay, so like don't try to be that aggressive. I think go and short these OTM options, try to get your money and finish the week. Okay, so since Nifty 15 minutes time frame पे it has broken above this high, अगर निफ्टी नीचे आता है, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट टेकन हियर, ओके, एट दिस 22,600 लेवल, एंड इट शुड आइडियली नॉट गो डाउन, बट द बेस्ट सपोर्ट फॉर अस इज 22,250 गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. I don't think Nifty will come there again quickly. Okay, but I'm just telling the support resistances for now. And if Nifty takes out this all-time high, okay, on the upside, again it's going to be massively bullish. जितना ज्यादा all-time high पे it takes it out, the more bullish it becomes. कुल सो मैंने निफ्टी के आपको ऑप्शंस दिए कौन से सेल करने चाहिए. आई एम ऑलवेज एनकरेजिंग ओटीएम में सेल करो. बैंक निफ्टी के ऑप्शंस आई टोल्ड यू कि ओटीएम जाके सेल करो बैंक निफ्टी में भी. एंड माय व्यू इज बुलिश एंड आई लाइक कन्वेड दैट टू यू आल्सो. So just a disclaimer, I am just sharing what I am doing. I don't intend for anyone to copy me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this analysis works out as I predicted, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.